Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. Today I will teach you interest on drawings, second part. Yesterday I told you about simple method and product method and full year drawing and 6 monthly drawings. So today I will start from 9th monthly drawings. 9 monthly drawings. 9 monthly drawings means partners withdrew up to 9 months only. Okay. Suppose A, B, C are partners. They are withdrawing 2000 per month at the beginning of each month. At the beginning of each month. And B is withdrawing 3000 per month in the middle of each month. In the middle of each month. Okay. And third C is withdrawing 1000 per month at the end of each month. At the end of each month. Okay, so then I will calculate like this. A's interest is equal to how much is the total amount? 2000 into 9. Remember this thing. यहाँ पे 9 ही आएगा because he is withdrawing only up to 9 months. Rate of interest is 10% in all the cases as I have told you in previous video also. 10% per annum. Okay. And then number of months कैसे calculate करेंगे? 9 का half कितना हुआ? 4.5. Okay. तो plus 0.5. तो it is 5.12. वो 5 by 12. Okay. And B's interest is equal to 3000 into 9 into 10% into 9 का half 4.5. Average of 9 is 4.5 by 12. Okay, C's interest is equal to 1000 into 9 into 10% into 4.5 में से 0.5 माइनस कर दीजिए तो 4 by 12. ओके. तो हाउ विल यू वेरीफाई एवरेज पीरियड? लाइक दिस. एज में इन केस ऑफ ए time left after first drawing is 9 because he is withdrawing at the beginning of each month, so you have to pay interest for 9 months. At the end of last drawing is at the end of 9 months, at the beginning of 9 months. So 1 month's interest divided by 2 is equal to 5 by 5. Okay. In case of B कितना हुआ? At the middle of each month है तो 8.5 months. First drawing is in the middle of first month. So remaining months are 8.5 and last drawings is at the end, at the middle of last month. So remaining half month. Okay, divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. And lastly, C, average period calculated like this. He is withdrawing at the end of each month. So time left after first drawing is 8 months. 8 months interest you have to give. And last में 0. Okay. So it comes to 4. Next is quarterly drawings. Quarterly drawings. Quarterly drawings means 4 times partner withdraw in a year because a year consists of 4 quarters and 1 quarter is equal to 3 months. Okay, so now we will take some example. A, B, C are partners. A withdrew 5,000 per quarter. In the beginning of each quarter, and B withdraws 6,000 per quarter in middle of each month, each quarter. Okay, C is withdrawing 4,000 per quarter at the end of each quarter. End of each क्वार्टर. तो देखिए यहां पर ए का जो ड्रॉइंग्स होगा कौन कौन सी डेट को होएगा, एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईच क्वार्टर है. तो सपोज 31 मार्च इज क्लोजिंग, 31 मार्च क्लोजिंग है, तो ही विल विड्रू 1 अप्रैल, मई, जून is first quarter. July, August, September, this is second quarter. October, November, December is third quarter. Okay, and last quarter is January, February and March. Okay, this is fourth quarter. तो ए का जो ड्राइंग्स होगा वो कौन कौन सी डेट को होएगा, एट द बिगिनिंग है तो 1 अप्रैल को ड्राइंग्स करेगा, और फिर नेक्स्ट ड्राइंग्स इज ऑन 1 जुलाई, and next third drawing is on 1st October and fourth is on 1st January next year. And B का ड्राइंग्स होएगा इन द मिडिल ऑफ ईच मंथ है, तो अप्रैल, मई, जून है तो 15th मई. नेक्स्ट ड्राइंग इज ऑन 15th August and next drawings is on 15th November. Okay, and last drawing is on 15th Feb of next year. Then C's drawing is like this. First drawing is at the end of first quarter, means 30th June. Second quarters end on 30th September. And third quarters end on 31st December. And last quarters end on 31st March. Okay. Now I will calculate this interest on drawings like this. A's interest is equal to 5,000 पर क्वार्टर है, तो 5,000 इंटू 4 इंटू रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 10% इंटू नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स. हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट? देखिए यहां पर 3 मंथ्स का हाफ कितना होता है, 3 मंथ्स का हाफ हो गया 1.5 मंथ्स. ओके, 3 मंथ्स का हाफ इज 1.5 मंथ्स. तो हमें क्या करना है, जब एट द बिगिनिंग होगा तो क्वार्टरली में 6 मंथ्स इज द एवरेज, तो यहां पर हम ऐड करेंगे 6 में 1.5, तो 7.5 आ जाएगा. ओके, इज इक्वल टू नेक्स्ट बीज इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू B's interest is equal to 6,000 पर क्वार्टर है, तो 6,000 इंटू 4 इंटू 10% इंटू हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, मिडिल में पूरे साल ड्रॉइंग्स है क्योंकि, तो इसलिए 6/12 ही आएगा. ओके, देन C's इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू, C's interest is how much? 4,000 into 4,000 is per quarter drawing है, तो 4,000 into 4 into 10% into how many months? यहां पर 12 है, 6 में 1.5 माइनस कर दो तो 4.5 आ जाए. सिंपल मेथड के बाद आता है आपका प्रोडक्ट मेथड. ओके, प्रोडक्ट मेथड वहां यूज होता है व्हेन अनइक्वल अमाउंट हो, अनइक्वल अमाउंट एंड अनइक्वल पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, तो फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स इन केस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मेथड इज टोटल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स इंटू rate of interest. Rate of interest in all the cases is 10% into 1/12. Okay. Then suppose A withdrew as follows. Year ending 31st March 2021. Okay. May 1 को his drawing says 20,000 and on July 31st he is withdrawing 10,000 and September 30 he is withdrawing 30,000. November 30 40,000 and January 1 20,000 and as on 31st March he is withdrawing 25,000. So how will you calculate interest on drawings? Then make next column of period. Period, how will you calculate period for interest? It is just from May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. तो 11 months हो गए, 11 months. Okay, from July 31st, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 8 months. Okay, from September 30, October 1, October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. Okay, and from November 30 you will count from December, January, February, March, 4 months. एंड फ्रॉम जनवरी 1, जनवरी का पूरा महीना लेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, तो जनवरी, फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, बिकॉज ही इज विड्रॉइंग ऑन 1st Jan, तो यू हैव टू टेक फुल मंथ इंटरेस्ट. जनवरी, फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, 3 months का. ओके, एंड हिज लास्ट ड्रॉइंग इज ऑन 31st March, तो यू विल टेक no interest for this month. Okay, then you have to find out products. How will you calculate? Amount into period is equal to product. So 20,000 into 11, that is 2,20,000, and then like this you have to calculate all products, multiply by this, and total products is 7 lakh. Total of this column is 7 lakh. Okay, now formula is total of products into 10% into 1/12 है, तो therefore A's interest on drawings, A's interest on drawings is equal to 7 lakh. This is product. Total of products is 7 lakh into rate of interest in all cases is 10%. Suppose is equal to 10,000 during the year. First case is A case is rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum, and number B is rate of interest on A's drawings is 10%. There is a difference between 10% per annum and 10%. Okay, so therefore A's interest in A case, A is equal to 10,000 into rate of interest is 10%, so you have to take 10/100 into average you have to take 6 by 12. Okay. That is 500. Okay. Next, B case में A's interest in B case is equal to 10,000 into 10% is equal to 1,000. So remember one thing, कि when per annum is given, you have to take average period of 6 months. And in case when only 10% is given, so you have to ignore average period. So only 10,000 into 10% is equal to 1,000. This is all about interest on drawings in this chapter.